Good evening to TYBC students. Today we are going to discuss on the paper 4th BO 334 semester 3rd named as Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. The first topic is the gymnosperm. As we already discussed about the gymnosperm, gymnosperm is the group of the plants which are known as the Spermatophyta, and as they have the presence of the flowers, they are known as the phanerogams. So both flowers and the seeds are present in this group, but the flowers in this group, particularly the gymnosperms, they are not so attractive. So for the purpose of pollination, the pollination is not takes place by the pollinating agents, or pollinating agents never visit to the flower, but instead of that the pollination is takes place with the help of wind, and so it is known as the Anemophilous type of the pollination. So for the purpose of this Anemophilous type of the pollination, these pollination is takes place by the wind. So there is the presence of the winged pollen grain. Particularly the example of this one is the pinus. In the pinus, the winged pollen grains is there, or when we observe the pollen grains or the spores of the cycas or the other plants, that is the zamia, or that is other plants, that is the abies. So what happens in case of this one, the pollen grains or the spores are comparatively very light in weight. So with the help of that is pollinating agents, instead of the pollinating agent, wind plays the important role for the purpose of pollination. So other characters of the gymnosperms are, they are the herb, or they are in the form of shrubs or tree, and maximum members are of the gymnosperms are, they are the climbers, means they climbs with the help of the supports. One more thing, they are extinct as well as they are the living, that is known as the living fossils. Some members are found in this form, or their growth of the gymnosperm is comparatively very slow, that is they are not growing fasterly, their growth is comparatively very slow. One more thing, that is as the growth is very slow, then one more thing, that is this group of the plants, they are maximum members of these gymnosperms, they are used as a ornamental plants in the botanical garden, near to the houses, near to the bungalows, or in the college as well as the university campus, or near to the number of temples. So these plants, again there are the vessels are absent, that is gymnosperms are the vesselless, vessels are absent in the gymnosperm. So these plants are known as the vesselless, or double fertilization and triple fusion is not found in the gymnosperm. These are the characters, that is maximum characters are there. Then male and female cones are present on the one and the same plants, or they may be present on the different plants. The male flower in the form of male cone, or female flower in the form of female cone, they are present. But there is the one exceptional case, is that in case of the cycas, there is the female cone is absent. Instead of the female cone, there are the megasporophyll, and on these megasporophyll, the number of ovules are growing on the leaf-like structure known as the megasporophyll, and on this megasporophyll there are the presence of number of ovules. So these are the characters of the gymnosperm. Then next point, these are the some examples of the gymnosperms, that is when you observe the jingo or the cycas, that is this cycas is the member of order, that is Cycadophyllus. Then jingo is the jingo biloba, that is bilobed leaves are there. So these are known as the jingo biloba. Then some members, that is pinus. Pinus is the member of coniferales. Coniferales is there. So coniferales or the Araucaria, they are also found in case of these coniferales. Then next one is the abies or the thuja. That is thuja is the generally used as a ornamental plant. So they are grown in the garden or near to the houses or bungalows. Then this one is the well-known climber, that is maximum members of this genus, that is Neetum, they are found in the maximum area of the Satara district. They are the climbers. Somewhat they are looks like as a angiospermic plants. So when we observe this one, that flower, that is their cone, their strobilus is somewhat looks like as a angiospermic flower. So this is the transition plants in between the angiosperm as well as the gymnosperm. That is, they shows the some characters of the gymnosperm, some characters of the angiosperm. Next one is the ephetra. Ephetra is which gives the number of, that is the alkaloids, that is ephedrine. So this is the ephetra. Then this Cedrus deodara. Cedrus deodara is the timber yielding plants, or which is used as a plants which is used for the making of the railway sleepers. So it have the so many uses in the railway sleepers, or timber, or matchboxes, or other things are there. Then cupressus is also one of the ornamental plants grown in the gardens, particularly the botanical garden is there. So these are the some examples of the gymnosperm. Then juniperus is there. Juniperus is also the one of the ornamentals in the gymnosperm, or they are found in the botanical gardens. Then Picea is there. This is the one example of the gymnosperm. One more example. And then this one is the Williamsonia or Williamsonia is there. Then the chordatiles is there, that is order chordatiles. So the example of this chordatil is the chordaites is also one of them. Then economic importance of the gymnosperm. What are the economic importance of the gymnosperm? That is, first of all, when you observe the gymnosperm, that is the first use of the gymnosperm is the gymnosperms. So many, just like I told you, the so many gymnosperms are used as ornamental plants. That is, in front of the houses, in front of the bungalows, or in the college campus, or in the universities, or near to the temples. These gymnosperms are, maximum members are used as a ornamental plants. That is, such examples of the gymnosperm which are used as ornamental plants are the pinus, or abies, or juniperus, or cycas. That is, then araucaria. That is, araucaria is nothing but the Christmas tree, or tuja is known as the, in Marathi it is known as the moorpankhi. And then cupressus is there. These all are cultivated in the botanical garden as ornamental plants. This is the use of gymnosperm. In front of the offices, just like I told you, and near to the universities, or for their beautiful leaves. That is, when we observe the leaves of the cycas, these leaves of the cycas is comparatively that their leaves are very attractive. So for this purpose, for their appearance, they are used as a cultivated as a ornamental plants. Gymnosperms are also used as a, next use is the gymnosperms are used as the timber plants. That is, these plants, that is Cedrus deodara. Cedrus deodara is the beautiful and strongest resistant to white ant and fungal attack, used in the timber. That is deodar plants. It is used as a ornamental plants. That is, they are also used as a timber yielding plants because their timber is comparatively very strong. Wood of the pinus have durability used for making the railway sleepers. That is, due to the durability of the wood of the pinus, they are used for making the railway sleepers. Then woods are used for making the building materials, that is, as we use as a furniture materials. So as like that, these building materials are for construction materials are used by the wood of these plants, that is especially the pinus. Then different types of the musical instruments, that is musical instruments is nothing but the harmonium and other musical instruments. Those are prepared from the wood of these plants. Then number of matchboxes, matchsticks, and number of plants are prepared from the so many gymnosperms, especially the pinus. Pinus is very attractive, or Cedrus deodara. From these plants, they are used for these purposes. And then next use is the gymnosperm as a source of resin and essential oil. From the wood of pinus, the turpentine oil is extracted and such resin is soluble organic solvent. The purified resin, called as burgundy peach, is obtained from the gymnosperm like the abyss. So oleoresin are the strongly adhesive and used for the purpose of different types of the varnishes, that is color. Then in the science like the histology and then veterinary medicine, it is also used for from this one. Then printing ink, that is in the printers, the printing is ink is also prepared from these resins of these plants. And then plastics is also prepared from that. Then one Canada balsam is obtained from the plants like the these Abies balsamia. What is Canada balsam? The Canada balsam is the transparent resin which does not crystalline after a certain period of time, that is after the drying. So what is use of this Canada balsam? This is transparent resin. It is gum-like structure. So what happens? It is used for the purpose of the mounting purpose, especially in the microscopic slides. That is when the slides are prepared. So this, in case of this slide, the microscopic slide or in the slide, these as a mounting media, these resins are used, which is known as the Canada balsam. It is obtained from the Abies balsamia plants of the gymnosperm. Then next use of the gymnosperm is the economic importance of the gymnosperm is the gymnosperms are used as a source of essential oil. That is, oil obtained from the Picea is used as a room freshener. Room freshener in the sense that is the deodorant like structure or the deodorant like material or room fresheners are used from these plants, that is the Picea. The oil obtained from the Abies sibirica is also used in the deodorant. Then deodorant in the sense that is different types of the perfumery, different types of the scents, or they are used for the purpose of the toilet soaps. Then they are used as a for the making of the saving soaps, so that is for the purpose of saving. The number of creams, number of soaps are used, and these soaps or the creams are prepared from the essential oil, because essential oil have the power to give the certain smell which are obtained from the plants like the Abies. And then the oil extracted from the Cedrus deodara, it is known as the cedar oil. This cedar oil obtained from the such plants is used in the perfumery. Then oil obtained from the juniperus used for the giving the scent to the soap, that is the bathing soaps are there. For these bathing soaps, the when we want to give the certain smell, then oil is obtained from this plant, that is Cedrus deodara. This oil is obtained from this one, or the oil obtained from the juniperus are used for giving the certain smell to the these scented soaps or the soaps which are used for the purpose of bathing. Then next use is the gymnosperm as a source of papers. That is, printing papers are there, and these printing papers are prepared from the number of gymnosperms. When you observe this one, that is, paper is made from the wood pulp of some Indian species of coniferous. Coniferous means what? The plants like the gymnosperms are there, plants like the Abies are there. These plants are Araucaria is there, then plants which is known as the Thuja is there. This number of plants are there, and these plants are the number of coniferous, and these plants, that is the such plants is Picea, Pinus, Abies, are various species of Pinus provides the newsprints almost all over the world, because the high grade paper are made from the wood pulp of Abies and Picea. The pulp obtained from the beating stem fibers of the well-known plants, the well-known climber, that is Neeton, is also used for making the papers. So many gymnosperms are used for the preparation of number of papers for that is the pulp is used for the preparation of papers, particularly from the Picea, Pinus, Abies, and the Nichum. So they are used for the preparation of gymnosperm is also used for the purpose of the preparation of the paper or for making the paper. Next use the gymnosperm as a drug or the gymnosperm as a medicine. When you observe the wood of the Cedrus deodara, it is diuretic. Diuretic means what? What is meaning of diuretic? That is, it increases the urinary, that is the flow of the urine. It multiplies, it doubles the flow of urine. So wood of this Cedrus deodara is medicinal, and when we take the wood of this one Cedrus deodara, it increases the flow of the urine in human beings. Then it is carminative. Carminative means what? It releases the gas which is found in the stomach, that is body stomach, or inside the stomach. When there is the gas is there, so this gas is released from this one, so it is known as the carminative. That is, the carminative property is there. Or pulmonary and the urinary disorder is there. Urinary and pulmonary disorder means what? That is, urinary problems are released or it covers by this wood of the Cedrus deodara. It is useful in the piles. Piles means what? That is, there are the disease which are found due to the increase in the heats in the body. So to the such anus, there is a one problem is there, and this problem is the disease which is related to this one. It is known as the piles. Then it is very useful in the rheumatism. That is, human beings have the problems of the that is rheumatic arthritis. So this rheumatic arthritis is cured by the wood of the Cedrus deodara. That is, the joints pain, that is relief of joint pains are due to, or they are covered by the wood of the Cedrus deodara. Leaves of the Cupressus yields essential oil, which has the vermifuge property. That is, vermifuge property means what? It covers the infection of the due to the worms. Then seeds of the pine seeds oil, which is applied as dressing to the wounds. Wounds means what? That there is the ulcer to the wounds as a that is, dressing to wounds as a to the ulcer. Means ulcer is there. For this ulcer, there are the for this dressing of this ulcer is done by the pinus oil. It is very effective. Then drug extracted from the ephedra is that is ephedrine. This ephedrine is used against the asthma. Asthma means what? It is very effective, or it is the disease of the lungs. That is, sometimes the lungs are blocks, lungs are infected, as like the pulmonary disorder is there, or the asthma is there. The pulmonary disorder or the asthma is in which the lungs gets infected, and lastly it becomes very difficult to take the that is the respiration, or we can say that it gets difficult for the breathing. So for that purpose, ephedrine is used as a good quality medicine in the asthma as well as the bronchial troubles. That is, the number of diseases or of the lungs, that is bronchitis is there. Seeds of nitums are used to cure rheumatism. Just I told you, rheumatism is the rheumatic arthritis, and to cures this rheumatic arthritis or the rheumatism is cures from the seeds of the nitum especially. Then oil obtained from the thuja, that is, which is known as the moorfunki. The oil is extracted from these plants, which is the ornamental plant which is grown in our area as a ornamental plants, which is known as moorfunki in Marathi, is used against the bronchitis. Then TB means what? the tuberculosis, to cure the disease like the tuberculosis or the disease of the lungs, then skin diseases and gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is nothing but it is the disease which are sexually transmitted diseases by the bacterial infection. This known as the gonorrhea, and this gonorrhea is cures by the oil from the thuja. This gonorrhea is bacterial infection, and what is effect of this? This is gonorrhea. That is, when the gonorrhea is there, then what happens? It goes towards the infertility in the human beings, especially the women. The Texas plants is as an important source of the anti-cancer drug. That is the this drug is extracted, which is known as the Taxol, which has been used in the treatment of the number of cancer diseases, that is especially in the humans, the ovarian cancer, as well as the breast cancer is the very burning problem in the women of the Maharashtra or women of the India. And so to cure the such cancers in the women, that is the breast cancer as well as the ovary cancer or the cancer of the ovary, then due to that it ends into the if in the in time when we take that is treatment, then we can cover the ladies or we can cover the women. But when it goes or it passes away from the treatment, then what happens? That is, it cause the death of the women after certain period of time. So this breast cancer or ovarian cancer is treated by the plants, that is the drugs which is obtained from the Taxus plants, that is Taxus gymnosperm. It is also useful in the asthma, that is in this Taxol is also useful for the curing of the asthma. Then it is also used in case of the epilepsy. Epilepsy means what? It is the brain stroke, that is when the brain stroke is there or the effect on the brain is there. So to cure this effect on the brain, Taxol is very important. Taxol is very effective. Leaves of the cycas are used for the treatment of vomiting blood and infected hair wash. If the hairs are infected, then for washing purpose, the seeds of the cycas are used, or when the blood vomiting is there, to cure this blood vomiting, the cycas leaves are used for these purposes. Then next use is that the gymnosperm as a source of the food, that is for the purpose of the food. So in case of the purpose of the food, they are used for that. That is the stem and the seeds of the cycas yields a starch which is known as the sago. So in Queensland, there is the practice cook underground tuberous stem of Bauhinia from the boiled seeds of dune. Dune is the one gymnosperm which is found in the order, that is Cycadales, which somewhat looks like as a pie, and that is cycas. The dune breads are prepared from these plants. Then seeds of Zamia. Zamia is one of the cycadales, which is the plants which belongs to the cycadales. The seeds of Zamia is also eaten. The seeds of Pinus are edible and very nutritious. Then seeds of the netum are edible. That is, seeds of the netum are eaten. That is, seeds of the Zamia, seeds of the Pinus, seeds of the netum are edible. Then young leaves and the strong strobilus, that is the young leaves and the strong strobilus of the netum are cooked as a vegetable. That is, for the purpose of food, they are used as a vegetable. So they are used for these purposes. Then next is the poisonous property of the gymnosperm. The pollen grains of the cycas, that is well known gymnosperm is there, that is which is known as the cycas, is narcotic. Narcotic means what? When we take it uh, these seeds or the grains of the cycas, then these cycas grains, they are effective for the nervous system. They are known as the narcotics. The leaves of Zamia are poisonous and may cause the ricket if eaten continuously by the animals. Then fatting seeds of the jingo are proof fatal, as taxes have alkaloid taxine used as a fish poison. That is for the purpose of fishing, they are used as a poison. Then other uses of the gymnosperm, that is last use of the gymnosperm, is that the starch obtained from the zamia is used for the laundry purposes. That is for giving the certain shape, tightness to the clothes. Then starch obtained from the zamia is used in the laundry. Then African makes the hats, bats, and mats from the leaves of the cycas. That is, the cycas leaves are comparatively very long, and as these leaves are very long and green in color, and they are very flat, that is comparatively, and they are very sturdy. So many people are making the hats, bats, and mats from the leaves of the cycas. That is, leaves are very large comparatively. They are present at the top side as in the form of the crown. So they are present at the top region. And then the leaves of cycas are essentials, are essential, or they are used for the floral decoration. That is, when we mix the flower pots, we mix the bouquet, that is flat bouquet or the round bouquet, then what happens are these workers may done, that is the cycas leaves are used as a material, as a filling material in the flower pots, and they are so attractive. So they are also used in the flower decoration, or they are used in the number of bouquets. So they have the very useful. Then leaves of the uh, female cones and the leaves of the pinus, that is leaves of the pinus and the female cone, are used as a fuel, because the leaves of the pinus is comparatively very hard, which is known as the needles. That is, leaves of the pinus are known as the needles, and when they dries, then they are very hard. And when female cone is totally mature, which is comparatively large, so when we observe these cones, both, that is male, particularly female cone, it becomes woody and so hard. So they are used for the purpose of fuels. So many people are used such female cone of the pinus as a fuel. Then bark of Araucaria and Picea have good quality tannin. Tannin is extracted from the bark of these two plants, that is Araucaria, which is known as the Christmas tree, and this Picea. So it is sufficient for today. So very much thankful, students. Stay safe, stay home, have a good night. Thank you very much.